little tech tip here for you. I have titanium bolts for my brake rotors. It may be a little unnecessary, but for unsprung mass helps a little bit. But if you have any titanium bits, always make sure to use some sort of anti-seize or thick grease compound to prevent galling, because the alloys will eat away at each other. So this will allow the threads to stay engaged without any issues of that, and torquing any bolts with the presence of a lubricating compound will ensure max torque and friction. So more you know.